Out for a day of kayaking on Suguaro Lake. Rob has the week off, so we're going to be doing this a lot this week. He kind of got ahead, so I'm just letting him go. He'll find a place to park and I'll catch up. There he is, see? Alright, later, back to music. Pretty amazing. Just this chunk of rock in the water. And this little tree has just decided it can live there. It's pretty crazy. This is kind of a cool waterfall. Be interesting to see it run. It's literally carved a cove in the cliff. So we're just kind of taking our time. We're along this cliff, so there's some nice shade, so it's pretty cool. But if you look way back there, you'll see a blue gazebo. That's Echo Beach. Glad that wasn't our plan of action for today. So anyway, later, back to music. So I said we're along these cliffs here, and I failed to even bother to show you these cliffs that I'm talking about. They're pretty high. Oof, I don't know if it's my phone screen that's dirty or the lens, but I'm gonna have to do something if it's this cloudy. And there is stopping. And we're going onward. Later, back to music. One of my favorite views of Four Peaks. So awesome. Came in on dinner time here. 3 of the family have left. And we are taking over their beach. So they just keep moving back, so I'm gonna keep following them, see how far they go before they... well, I guess that'll be the end of that, guys. See ya! Look at this. A typical vultures roosting. How cool. Look at these guys. It's pretty crazy. They're just gonna hang out as if they were in a zoo. Just chilling. Man, you ugly bird. Phew. Just a little view. Just kind of holding space for a minute because there's a whole lot of rocket rides flying around behind us. There's a guy with a boat that was so freaking loud you couldn't hear yourself breathe or think or anything. Sorry about your penis. Okay, so we're heading into shore, but look at this monster storm blowing up back here. We're probably a half hour from shore. That's probably 2 hours from us. But I just dealt with one of these wake runner boat assholes who plows a wave that's 4 feet tall. He just lost his person while I was at the shore, thankfully, and spun a donut that threw a wave over me that completely filled my kayak. You know, I get you're having fun, but fucking pay attention. Pay fucking attention to other vehicles on the lake. Just because they don't have a fucking motor don't mean they are any less important. Okay, so this is what storms look like when they're building on the mountains. That is Four Peaks ahead. Four Peaks is like the highest mountains that I know of in the area. Those storms are building on the other side of Four Peaks. They will probably not make it to us. If they do, they're going to be very minimal. That is like, Four Peaks is like 4 hours away, 3 hours away, minimum, cross country. So, anyway, sorry about the last post. That really fucking pissed me off to get drowned. Literally drowned. That's what happened when I was kayaking to a lake, on the lake with Buddy one year, and had to rescue him and all my shit out of the kayak because somebody did the same thing. I don't know if the camera is catching this, but all the teens and groups that have been playing in the water all day are moving their way up to the little cliffside spaces where they're going to hang for the night. And I couldn't help but sit here and think how many millennia ago the people that lived here before us were doing the same thing. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Love it. This is also like the most popular place to do cliff jumping. I don't think this is even gonna, not even remotely gonna appear on the screen. Oh, maybe. I'm trying to keep pointed that direction. Big thunderstorm building back there. Remember what I was saying about imagining the natives on the cliffs at the end of their fishing day? Well, they're calling. I don't know if this is catching at all. It'll be interesting to see. Just want to show you how not cool this is right now. I just got back to shore with both kayaks. Rob went to get the Jeep. I'm going to turn on some light and you're going to see the bugs. Whoa, wait a minute. All right, let me get down to water level here. This is how it currently is. I swallowed so many fucking bugs already, it's ridiculous. And I'm going back to red light and turning you guys off because shit.